Hey, welcome back. It's Mike with Pine Ridge Garage. Today we're back on working on the RC trailer, 29 foot, 7 by 29 foot snowmobile trailer. Today we're going to be putting in the two roof vents. These are the two roof vents. So we'll put them on the roof. They both come with this garnish trim ring. Which is basically will go up against the ceiling and trim that all off. So we will cut two holes in the back of in the roof, and they will be 14 by 14, which is what this is. And then we'll use the aluminum roof bows for the sides and add a couple of 1 by 3 pieces of wood for the other two sides. Let me take you inside and show you where we're going to do this. So here in the back, this is where a light is. We're going to put the vent right here. That one. And then up here at the front, just in from this door, side door, we'll put the other vent right here. So kind of splits up the trailer, and so that's what we're gonna do. We'll get things around, and you can watch as we hit that point of no return once we cut some holes in the roof. So we'll set you up so you can watch that. Thanks. Alright, we'll do this one. Got them all pre-drilled. Now we'll go on the roof and lay it out, cut it with a jigsaw. We'll lay it out up on the roof, and I'll use a jigsaw to cut it out. Okay, we're going to use a square to Draw some lines. Square this up. Okay. Whoa. There we go. Get a file and file it. Alright, there we go. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go do the other one. Check it. 15, 14. There we go. So the process is going to be put butyl tape down here, put see I've got the aluminum here for the crossbow here and over there, and then I'll put some 1x3 or 4 wood here and here, and that'll give that rigidity. And we'll do that on the side, and then I'll use screws, some self-tapper screws, and then we'll end up putting on the self-leveling caulk, like you do on use on campers. That'll be the process. Alright, so took prep saw, wiped this down. Now we'll put this butyl tape on. So we got the butyl tape on it. That'll make the initial seal, and then we will use the self-leveling. So I'm going to use these Teks brand. I'll put them down in the description below, but anyways, they're a self driller number 8, 3/4 inch long screw, and I'm going to start from the middle because this has got a little bit of a bow here, so we'll start in the middle and work our way out. Alright, that one's done. Well, like I say, I'll come back a little later and do all the roof sealing. So, but it's in. I like it. All right, we'll do the other one. Yeah, we'll clean it. Same process. Get them all? Yep. Okay, so got it all the screws in. Okay, we're back. We're gonna get the self-sealing caulk done, and we'll have these done. So this is the Dicor products, lap sealant, self-leveling. I bought the gray, so part number is 501 LSG. So that's what we're going to use. You can buy it from eBay, Amazon, any of those places, but it works really good. We'll have to get the other tube out. That's all there is to it. Can't make it look like a fancy cake or anything, but anyways, it self-levels and smooths out for the most part. Alright, I'll take you down and show you the other side. But that's pretty much it. Just get it sealed up all the way around. That'll kind of level all itself out, as they say, with self-leveling. We'll go down and look at the other one. Alright, come up here. Take a look at this. So you can see how levels out pretty good all the way around, just like on campers, RVs. So that'll seal that up nice, and we're done. So that was the installing the 2 roof vents on the RC snowmobile trailer. Again, this is Mike, Pine Ridge Garage. Let's go inside. So that was the roof, the top side, and again here's the bottom side. We've got these trim rings that are going to go on just like that once we put the ceiling back on. So that'll trim it all off, look really good, and you can see, you just crank these open when we need them. So usually just when we're standing still, probably not be going down the road with them open. We got other vents for that. So hey, real easy to do. If so that's gonna be a nice asset to the trailer. Again, here's the front one right there. Hey, thanks for watching. As we continue working on the RC 29-foot snowmobile trailer, we appreciate you watching. Hey, if you liked it, hit the like button down below, or the thumb, and any comments regarding the vents. I think that's going to be a good asset, but let me know what you think, and if this helps you take on the task of installing vents on your trailer. So again, this is Mike, Pine Ridge Garage. Have fun while you're getting it done. See ya.